Hope you are doing good. This is your October month reading, and this reading will be for your further messages regarding your love life. And this will be a general reading. It may resonate you or may not. Please take those messages, what resonates you, and leave the rest. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe it. So let's start your reading. Here I'm seeing that you want to clear out yourself in front of someone. Maybe it's your boss, it's your authority figure, it's your authority in your family, or maybe it's your person. It can be your person, it can be anyone. If it's a life situation or it's a love life situation, in both situations you have to clear yourself. So, or maybe if it's a work life situation, you have to clear yourself in front of your boss or in front of your authority figure, because uh, if you will not do this, so your position can be granted to someone else, which is more reliable than you, or this person is more mature in actions than you. So you have to clear yourself uh, first, then you will get the position, or then you will get that project for yourself. So here, if it's a love life situation, you have to clear yourself in front of your person, or in front of your person's authority figures, like father of your person, father of yours. So I'm seeing that you are in a hurry. Maybe you are in a hurry for talking. You want talking. You want to clear out things. You want conversation, and for conversation, I'm seeing that you are very much in hurry. But your actions are very much mature. You are taking mature action. You are in a emperor kind of energy where you can take your own decisions, but you want everything quickly, so this cannot happen. So that's why you are in a mature emotions right now. You are controlling yourself. You're making yourself in control. You want to control your emotions this time, because you want hurry, but your emotions telling you you should not do this. So, or maybe it can be any a person. I'm seeing that you're dealing with one maybe water sign like you, or it can be a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. I'm seeing that's Aries here, or it can be a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I'm seeing Pisces here, and Virgos. So these zodiac signs can be your partner sign. So here I'm seeing that it can be your trait also. You are in a emotional state. You know very well how to control your emotions, how to control yourself to be in hurry. So you are taking action for yourself this time. Your actions are mature, and you think that you are nothing without this person. You are in a codependency. uh, you are in a codependency situation in this connection. So you think that your stability is connected to this person, so you want this person back in your life, or for this situation you are taking actions, you are taking decision by deep thinking, a mature decision. You don't want to take any immature decisions. That's why you are taking your time to think deeply. So there is a time you want for yourself to make actions and to take decisions. So here I'm seeing that someone is in uh, acting immaturely, maybe in a decision making. It can be your person. Someone is making immature decisions here, but you are maybe taking actions for yourself which are mature. Whether you have to wait for long, you are waiting because you don't want to take any immature decision this time. So you are controlling yourself. If this is your energy, you want thing quickly. So you are controlling your emotions. You are telling yourself that things cannot be happen in a quick in a second, so you have to wait. So if it's you who is delaying the decision, so you have to wait and your person should wait. Or if you this is your person who is delaying the decision, So you have to wait, and you are preparing yourself to wait because you don't want to lose this person. So if it's delays are there are delays in month of October, you can wait for month of November. Let's see what will come out for you in month of November. So Cancer, that was your reading. If it resonates, you please let me confirm in the comment below. Like my video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.